Hi, everyone. It's Ted at the Holmes team with William Ravis Real Estate. So today, I want to talk to you about the reasons why you should not sell your home. There are many examples and situations when I meet with a potential seller and tell them they should not sell their home. I know that sounds crazy, a real estate agent telling a potential seller not to sell, but I'm being honest. There are real reasons why you should not sell your home. Every day, I go into a lot of people's homes that never end up selling. And sometimes they even end up selling years later. Our first meeting is an in-depth consultation, and I want to understand their reasons for wanting to sell. First, why do they want to sell? Where are they planning on going? What are the financial implications of selling now as opposed to staying in the home? What is their current monthly housing debt? And what are their overall goals and objectives for selling? And how does that affect their quality of life? Since you always need a place to live, it's not always about the money. So just recently, I had a potential seller approach me about selling because they needed a larger home for their growing family. I represented them when they purchased the home, I think it was about 6 or 7 years ago. And they currently have a very competitive interest rate that they locked in on their current mortgage when they bought the house. I asked them some very simple questions. Do you like where you live? Do you like your neighborhood, your location, your property? Are you happy with your quality of life in the home and location you're in now? And the last most important question, if your home met the needs for your growing family now, would you want to stay or move? It was clear to me and clear to them that they love where they live. They really didn't want to move. So the great thing about the current market and how prices have been rising ever since they purchased the home, they have gained enough equity over the years and were able to do a renovation and expand the house to fit their needs so they could be there for another 20 years. This is just one of the many reasons why you should not sell your home. I really appreciate you taking a moment to view this video today. And if you have questions about real estate, if you're considering selling and want that consultation of what you should do, please give me a call and have a great rest of your day.